Dear friends, family, and kind-hearted strangers, I am making this video with a heavy heart to share the devastating news of a recent tragedy that has befallen on my beloved father, Lawrence Winchester. Our family home, filled with countless cherished memories, was engulfed in a raging fire, leaving my father with nothing but ashes and a sense of profound loss. In this time of despair, I turn to each one of you, seeking your generous support and compassion to help us rebuild his life from the ground up. The aftermath of this tragic incident has left my father without the means to pick up the pieces and start new. With no home, clothing, furniture, or even basic necessities, he is faced with the overwhelming task of rebuilding his life from scratch. The loss extends far beyond material possessions. It has shaken his sense of stability, security, and hope for the future. As a loving community, I firmly believe that we can make a difference and bring hope back into my father's life. I have established this GoFundMe campaign to appeal to your kindness, compassion, and generosity. Your support, no matter how big or small, will directly contribute to providing my father with the assistance he desperately needs. The funds will be used to assist my father in securing a safe and stable living environment while working towards a permanent solution, replenishing basic necessities including clothing, toiletries, furniture, kitchen supplies, and household items that were lost in the fire. Words cannot express the gratitude I feel for your time, attention, and potential contribution to this campaign. By joining hands and showing our unwavering support for my father, we can help him find solace amidst the ashes, restore his faith in humanity, and give him the strength to rebuild his life. Together, we can turn this tragedy into an opportunity to showcase the power of compassion and make a lasting difference. Please consider donating and sharing this campaign with your network. Every act of kindness will bring us one step closer to rebuilding hope and ensuring that my father can start anew. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support during this difficult time. With the utmost gratitude.